as for this channel, I'm like, what's happening? Protect the baby. Holy bananas. Hey there, it's Olivia. If you're new here or you haven't already, please give that subscribe button some love and make sure you turn on that little bell so you're notified when new videos go live. What was that weird wink? Hey friends, I wanted to pop on and give a quick channel update. So this is gonna be like a weird little mashup, okay? We're gonna do a channel update because I haven't talked to y'all since October. Halloween, goodness. And we had a blizzard just come on through Colorado. So I have footage from the blizzard and from some like family fun that we had post blizzard. So I do want to share that footage. So I'm gonna share it after this. So I'm gonna try to keep it short. I'm literally 1 entire minute into this video and I already hear children crying. Girls! Okay, to try to keep my thoughts concise, I did take notes on my phone. So after Halloween, I went a bit MIA. I was trying to come back to YouTube and I just poofed. I just poofed. So a few things happened. One, that was about the time where I ended up discovering that I had multiple hearing disabilities. So I developed tinnitus, which is constant ringing in both of my ears, and then I also developed hyperacusis, which is basically pain from like your normal everyday sounds, like my dog's barking, my kids laughing, raising my voice too loud, or you know, dishes touching. So that actually causes like physical pain in my ears. And as a result of these things combined, I now kind of deal with a sensory overload issue. When I have too many things kind of bombarding the system, I end up with a migraine. And so it's been a process navigating that and figuring out how to adjust my mindset and adjust to life and really be able to like live with those things, which is not impossible, but took a little effort. It's still something I'm working on. So that happened, and about that time I also decided to go ahead and take a social media hiatus. I just left social, and that included YouTube. Sorry guys, I love you. But I do want to come back to YouTube. I don't know if I'm going to come back to Instagram, but YouTube I definitely would like to come back to. So I did that, and then also it was just like a time for me to connect with myself deeper on a spiritual level, on an energetic level, and let me tell you, it's been wonderful. Like, it's been wonderful. So we took an issue and we just flipped it. Also in that time frame, I also just gave myself space to like grow and receive bigger things. So let me just like look at my list really quick. I'm gonna do this right now. Okay, 1, I got on the wait list for a master's program. We're gonna see how that goes, but I did get on the wait list for a master's program, so I am very excited. That was like a mental up level, and I'm just very excited to pursue this. I'm saving details until we maybe get more involved and get off the wait list and become an applicant and get accepted. I also got my Reiki certification, which was very exciting, Reiki energy healing. I'm also working on my NLP, neuro-linguistic programming practitioner certification, so I'm doing those things and I'm very excited. I'm a nerd, welcome. Also got a new car, which was like fun and exciting, so like yay, I don't have to smell toxic fumes coming out of my vehicle anymore because that car is gone. It made it through my marriage, made it through 2 babies, got me out of the end of college back in the day, and now she flies and I have a new car and I'm very grateful. I am also currently evolving my brand and my business, which, oh my gosh, it's actually live at the point that this video is up. But basically I'm evolving it to focus more on empowerment coaching and to focus on mindset, emotions, and energetics. Okay, I'm very pumped for this change. I was very much centered around being a mental health coach and helping people with bipolar anxiety and depression. The stuff I teach totally still applies. Oh my gosh. Totally still applies to those areas. However, I want to just expand and make this about empowerment. Oh my gosh, can you hear the banging? We're coming back. We're coming back. And lastly, on the giving myself space to grow and all that good stuff, I actually became the business operations manager for my friend's amazing coaching business. She's a somatic sexologist, but I now help her. I run her business, and I do all the fun, nerdy back-end things, and it's wonderful and it's great, and I'm so glad that we've teamed up and I get to help her with that. So, that's the Ollie update right now. As far as our family goes, because I do share family stuff and I'm constantly interrupted by family stuff. Our family is still navigating pandemic life. Jim's actually like back to work like 3 days a week, so that's fun. He's actually at work right now. What? And Piper will be going back to school in person next year. So we only have we have spring break next week. So we only have like 2 more months. 2 more months of at-home learning. Dude, I can't even tell you how pumped I am right now. It's been a journey. It's been a journey, but I'm excited for her to go back. And then Paige starts school, like not this fall, but like next fall. I'm not gonna be a stay-at-home mom anymore. What? I wanna bring this channel back to the intention that I think has always kind of been at the heart of it, but has gotten lost a bit along the way. I love making videos that empower you guys, whether it's like family vlogs where we're doing something wild. Like I've got a vlog coming up where we did a 5-mile hike accidentally as a family. That was nuts, but great. So, you know, that or business things or DIY things. Like I look at the numbers and it just, you know, you guys like all of it. So I'm never gonna like pigeonhole it, but I always want there to be this underlying root of empowerment. And helping you feel more empowered, living by example as an empowered person. What does that even mean? Anyway, you know what I'm saying? I want you to be able to walk away feeling even the littlest bit more empowered from these videos. And so that's always going to be my intention behind creating these. I don't want to ever just aimlessly, you know, make a video for video's sake. I can't do that anymore. And I hope even by watching this channel update and then the Blizzard vlogness stuff to come, you know, you kind of just see that even if you have to step away and take a break, even if you have to like reassess a lot of things, even if life deals you a random card or multiple random cards, you know, you can come back. You can come back to yourself, you can evolve, you can grow, and also I'm grateful for your freaking patience, and I appreciate it to just Jupiter and back, you know. I'm very grateful. Also with this channel, I mean, this is gonna be the last thing I'll say, I want to be mindful not to overwhelm myself, because I am at this point effectively running 2 businesses. I am still doing at-home learning. I've got things I want to learn and life I want to live. So I do want to be respectful of myself when making these videos, although I want to make you a priority as well. So, you know, just maybe expect a couple videos every month moving forward. I'm not going to have a schedule. I'm just going to be so honest, because every time I try to do that, I'm like, yeah, I'm coming back every week. I ruin it. So for right now, that's just where things are gonna be, but I hope you appreciate this channel update, kind of fill you in on what things have been like. It's been a very wintry season for me, so it was really good for me to step away and do a lot of internal reflection and releasing and letting go and coming home to myself on like a really, really deep level. And I feel like I'm coming into spring blooming, ready to come back. So without further ado, I'm just gonna like just let this go into Blizzard vlog funness, because I don't want this to just be me sitting here and chatting. So enjoy Blizzardiness, and I will see you in the next video. I figured it was only right that I actually take you guys outside in the storm. Do you like my bag? It probably sounds weird via audio. Then we gotta protect the baby. I can't really see what I'm recording. What's up? Dude, look at how low the trees are. Okay, we're gonna see if I can go. This is so crazy. This is insane. There's nobody outside. Okay, this is kind of cool actually. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh. My camera is probably so wet right now. I mean, the bag's doing great, but like the lens is very wet. It's just unbelievable. Whoa. And I'm just in pajama pants. Worth it. So worth it. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if you can see that. I can't see what I'm filming. Oh. Holy bananas. Get back inside. There are like, oh man, this is awesome. It's just a tad snowy.
Just a little snow.
Just a little. You know. This is my new hairdo. You guys like it? There's so much liquid on the lens. Ah, there you are. Hi. All right, all right.
I got a pirate hair.
Did you get her?
Yeah.
Okay, here, Mommy will take the sled. You walk back. There.
I went so far.
You went the furthest. Hey, high five. You ready? You got it in my teeth.
Your teeth?
Look at my glasses.
You ready?
Do it. Yes! We did it! Whoop 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 whoop. We're gonna see how this goes. Just control it back.
You're gonna sit on Mama's.
Hold on.
Okay. You're gonna sit on Mama's butt.
Oh, get her to lay on me.
And there we go.
Lay on me with your belly.
Okay. You guys ready? This is how we're doing it.
Do it.
1, 2, 3. Look at that messy butt.
Go. Fail.
Hold on.
Fail. I couldn't leave without doing the outro, I'll just be honest. So if you want to learn more about my empowerment coaching and all the things, go to www.simplyoli.com. And thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. As always, you keep staying simply awesome. I'll keep staying Simply Oli. And I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!